Coming to the next line, students. Her fingers were busy telling the beads of her rosary, and at that time she was having that rosary in her hand, and with that, I mean that mantra jap mala, with that she was busy telling the beads of her rosary, means she was busy in the prayers. Silently she kissed my forehead. Now, here the author is telling that at that time, without saying any word, she just silently just kissed on my forehead. And when I left, I cherish the moist imprint as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. And now here the author is telling that it when she kissed on my forehead, and at that time he cherished that moment. Cherished means when you keep something in mind and recall again and again. So it was the last physical contact between grandmother and Khushwant Singh. The moist imprint. Moist means wet marks, right? When you kiss on the forehead, I mean when grandmother kissed on the forehead of Khushwant Singh, so it was a wet marks on his forehead, right? Imprint is marks as perhaps the last sign of physical contact between us. And at that time, Khushwant Singh was thinking that I think that this is the last sign, because anything could be possible within this 5 years. Might be grandmother was no more. So because she was very old lady, so anything could be possible. So at that time he was recalling all the moment, and he was thinking that I think that this is the last sign of physical contact between me and my grandmother. Coming to next paragraph. But that was not so. But here grandmother was thinking oppositely, that was not happen. After 5 years, and after 5 years returning from abroad, I came back home and was met by her at the station. And when he came back to his city, and at that time grandmother went to pick him up in the station, and at that time she just met his grandson. She did not look a day older. She did not look a day older. Now, here Khushwant Singh was seeing his grandmother after 5 years, and now his statement was that after seeing my grandmother, it feels like when I left my grandmother before 5 years, she was same as she was before 5 years. She did not look a day older, not a day older she was looking. She still had no time for words, and while she claps me in her arms, I could hear her reciting prayers. And here he's saying that at that time also she haven't said any words, she didn't say anything, and she don't have any time for words while she claps means when you hold someone very tightly from inside. She was very emotional lady, so at that time she just tightly hold Khushwant Singh in her arms. I could hear reciting prayers, and when my grandmother hold me tightly, and at that time I could hear that reciting, that still at that time also she was reciting and she was busy in her prayers. Even on the first day of my arrival, her happiest movement were with her sparrows. And here see, Khushwant Singh is saying he is actually feeling from inside that after 5 years, when I came back to my city, when I met my grandmother, at that time also her happiest moment means, like for the past 5 years, her happiest moment was that half an hour which she always make her busy with sparrows. So this day also her happiest moments is with sparrows only, with her sparrows whom she fed longer, and with frivolous rebukes. And here frivolous means not serious, and rebukes means when you become angry on someone in a very light manner. So here he is saying that her happiest moment was only with sparrows which she used to feed them.